Hi, I'm David Xu, Product Marketing Manager for RL78 Automotive MCU families. Today, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about our new members in our RL78 family for automotive applications. These new members for automotive application in RL78 family inherited many great features from two previous product families, R8C and 78K, 78K0R. The high-speed CPU core, time array unit, and the serial array unit are inherited from 78K and 78K0R. From R8C, this family inherited high-performance peripherals such like motor control, targeted timer RD, data transfer controller, event link controller, and great features for the low power consumption. Here is the roadmap for RL78, and you can see F14 and F13 inherited from the R8C and the 78K0R family. Here is the family key features on the RL78 family. It has a very wide range of scalability. The package starts from 20-pin SSOP package up to 144-pin QFP package. The flash memory size from 16K up to 512K. It has a very compact package such like 32-pin and 48-pin QFN package, and it will have lots of application-specific product expansions in this family. These RL78 family members has a high-performance CPU core. It has 1.3 dry stone MIPS per megahertz performance. Max clock frequency will be 32 MHz. It also have a hardware multiplication, division, and MAC unit built into the CPU. It can finish 16-bit by 16-bit multiplication to get a 32-bit result within one clock cycle, and it also can do 32-bit by 32-bit division within 16 clock cycles. And also, it has features to do the MAC function within 2 clock cycles. It has a wide range of power supply voltage from 2.7 volt to 5.5 volt. It also supports high temperature operation to support 150 degrees C ambient temperature. RL78 family has a very good low power consumption performance. During normal running mode, it consumes less than 200 microamps per megahertz. Once put this micro into a standby mode, it consumes very little current. For example, at the stop mode with low voltage detection function, it only consumes 0.32 microamps. If add a watchdog timer on top of low voltage detection function under stop mode, it will consume only 0.54 microamps. It has a very unique low power mode we called snooze mode. It can put the CPU into stop mode but still be able to sample the A to D or take the message from UART. This family implemented 4K to 16K data flash to support minimum 100K write erase cycles, and it also have a 32 MHz on-chip oscillator and a low-speed on-chip oscillator running at 15 kHz. There are lots of features to support high quality and functional safety requirements. RL78 family has very high quality flash memory unit, and it supports very high endurance write arrays And in this family, it equips lots of hardware features to support functional safety, such like ECC for flash, RAM, and the flash memory CRC operation function, RAM guard function, SFR guard function, invalid memory access detection function, PLL lock detection function, A to D test function, and also Renesas will provide self-core test programs. This is RL78 family lineup. Right now we have RL78 F12 family to support 20-pin to 64-pin, 8K flash up to 64K flash. RL78 F14 will have 16K flash up to 128K flash, 20-pin SSOP package up to 80-pin QFP package. F14 will have from 48K flash to 256K flash currently, and the 30-pin SSOP package up to 100-pin QFP package. In the future, we are planning to have large memory version of F14 to support up to 512K of flash and 144-pin QFP package. This is RL78 F13 without CAN memory and key peripherals list. You can see here for the 20-pin package, we can have 16 digital IOs. On the 80-pin package, you can have up to 74 digital IOs. On the 20-pin package, you can have up to 6 A to D channels, and on the 80-pin package, you can have up to 22 channels of A to D. For PWM channel, you can have 8 channels on the 20-pin package to 13 channels on the 80-pin package. All of them will have 2 I2C channel and hardware LIN support. This is the table for RL78 F13 with CAN, and for this lineup, you can see there are many numbers of timers, and it will have up to 21 channels of timers with 11 channels PWM output on the 30-pin package, up to a 13 PWM channel output on the 80-pin package. It has a CAN channel on this lineup. This is RL78 F14 memory and key feature peripheral list, and you can see here the ROM is from 48K up to 256K. The package will be 30-pin up to 100-pin. The digital I/O will be 26 pins on the 30-pin package and 92 pins on the 100-pin package. And there are many A to D channels will be available on a 100-pin package. You can see here it will be 31 channels of A to D available. And there's a comparator built in on this family, and also with a D to A channel. On the high memory pin count package, it will have 2 hardware LIN channels instead of on the low end only 1 channel LIN is available. This is the RL78 family development tools with lineup in-house Cube Suite IDE support. And you can see here we have a third-party quantify auto code generation tool support. The low-end on-chip debugger will use Renesas E1 debugger, which in line with all other Renesas MCU families. For the in-circuit emulator, it inherited from RL78 K0R. It's called IE-Cube. For programming, Renesas support factory flash programming. For the lab, you can use Renesas E1 emulator to program the device. For production inline programming, you can use PGFP5 programmer. This is the development tools lineup with IAR RL78 IDE support with Quantify autocode generation tool available. For the debugging, you can see again using Renesas E1 as on-chip debugger, and for the in-circuit emulator, it will be IE Cube. For flash programming in the lab, you will use Renesas E1, and for inline programming without PC, you can use PGFP5. For more information, you can go to this website. From this website, you can find a lot of information about this family, such like user's menu, datasheet, and a selector guide. And also from this website, you can order the starter kit, and also there's a link for third-party tools. Thank you for watching.